Let's solve some STAAR grade 8 math questions on translations, reflections, and rotations. So now let's take a look at this one. It says triagram KLM rotates 270 degrees clockwise about the origin to create triangle K prime, L prime, and M prime. Which rule describes the transformation that is applied to triangle KLM? So I explained this in the last video and the last two videos. When you rotate a triangle, when a triangle is when we rotate 90 degrees clockwise, we have it becomes negative y comma x. I mean negative y comma x. We swap and then we change the sign. When it rotates by 180 degrees, it becomes negative x comma negative y. But when it rotates 270 degrees, we swap, it becomes negative y, it becomes y, we swap and change the sign, but this time it is the sign of x, it is x that the sign will change. For 90 degrees we swap and y changes sign. For 270 degrees we swap but x changes sign, but for 180 degrees only both signs change. We do not swap, we only change the signs. So now let's take a look which one describes the transformation, and we are talking about 270 degrees here. So that will be y comma negative a negative a. So that is a. This one is 180 degrees. This one is 90 degrees. So this one should be a reflection. This one is not a clockwise something. So this one is a reflection along the y-axis. So now let's look at the next one. A circle with center -4, -4 on a coordinate plane is transformed so that its image forms a circle with center. This is the given center and this is the center that it changes to. So which rule? It says which rule describes transformation that results in a circle with center R prime. We have to select two correct answers. So if -4, we have -4 comma negative r is -4 comma -4, and it changes to r prime, it transforms to r prime, which is -4 comma 4. So now we are to figure out the rule that applies to this. Is it transformation? Is it reflection? Is it whatever? Is it whatever? So let's try the first one. This one says x comma y plus 4. So let's keep x. This will be -4 comma y plus 4. If we add 4 to this, it becomes 0. So it is not given r prime. So it is not the first one. So this first one does not give r prime. Let's try the second one. It says -x comma y. So let's multiply -4 by negative. That becomes 4 comma -4. This also is not, because we have -4 comma 4, but this one says -x. Negative times x, that's 4, and keeping y gives -4. Let's try the second one. The third one says x, that means we maintain x, -4 comma y plus 8. -4 plus 8, that will be -4. -4 plus 8 will be 4. Sorry, -4 plus 8 is the same thing as 8 minus 4, and that's 4. So this gives -4 comma 4, which is y prime. So this is one correct option. Let's try the next one, x comma -y. So let's keep x, that's -x comma -y. Let's multiply y by negative. Negative times -4 because sorry, this one is negative. We are keeping x, that's -4, and then we are multiplying y by negative, that becomes 4. So this also gives y prime. So this is also correct. But let's still try the last one. The last one says -y. So that means we have to multiply by negative. So that will be -4 times negative, that becomes 4, then comma x. X is -4. This will be 4 comma -4, and this is not the answer. So the third and the fourth one are the correct answers. Now let's take a look at another one. This one says triangle HJK is graphed on the coordinate grid. Triangle HJK will be transformed using negative x comma y to create triangle h prime j prime k prime. Let's even try it. Negative x comma y. X is negative here, x is negative, this is negative x, and this is y, positive y. So that means when we transform this, it becomes something like this. It stays where we have negative x and then we have positive y. So let's look at the options that we have. Negative x. So for this one, and this is the correct option A, it will change like that. It will become negative. X is negative here and y is positive, and this is where it is. But for this B, this will give x comma negative y. So this is wrong. This is x comma negative y. This one is positioned on negative x comma negative y, and this one is positioned on negative. This one is positioned on x comma y, which is wrong. So the best option is A, on negative x comma y, because that's what we were given. So now to the next one, a square is shown on the coordinate grid. Which transformation does not produce a square? Which transformation does not produce a square with vertices at the same set of coordinate pairs? This one means that whenever we perform any operation on this, the shape, the shape that we perform the operation on must be the same set of coordinate pairs. They must be the same set of coordinate pairs. So now, and you notice that the center is at 0. So that means the center we have a center 0 comma excuse me, we have a center 0 comma 0. So now let's try and see which one does not will change the position of the shape. Now let's try negative x comma y. If you multiply this by negative and we multiply this by if you multiply all by negative or by positive, the size, the shape, the coordinate will remain the same. The set of coordinates, the coordinate set will remain the same. They will change only if you add something to them. For example, you take a look at this one. X comma x comma x minus 2, then y minus 2. When you do x minus 2 then y minus 2, the points will change, because let's take negative 2 comma 2 as an example. X minus 2, this will be minus 2 minus 2, this will be negative 4 comma y minus 2, 2 minus 2, this will become 0. So when this one becomes negative 4 and 0, we'll be having something like this: negative 4, negative 4 and 0. So by the time we do the second one too, let's try negative 2 minus 2. That will become 0. And then negative, what is y? Negative 2 minus 2 also becomes 0. Negative 2 minus 2 becomes negative 4. So that means this one, the second one, will be here. So at the end of the day, the center will not be at the origin again. When you have something like this, the other two sides will be somewhere like this. So the center will not be at the origin again. But if you try for A, B, and C, the centers will remain at the origin. So it is only B that does not produce a square with vertices at the same set of coordinate pairs. Apply each of these rules on all of the 4 points and confirm it yourself. So now, lastly, rectangle MNPQ is translated 4 units left and 3 units up. Let's see, we have x comma y. So if x moves 4 units left, that means we'll be having x left. Oh, left, that means when it moves left, that will be negative. When x moves like this, it becomes negative. So that will be x minus 4. And then 3 units up, when y goes up, it becomes positive, and that will be y plus 3. Up is positive, up is positive, up and right are positive, then down and left are negative. So that means we'll be having x minus 4 and y plus 3. So this x minus 4, y plus 3, these are the correct options. Those are the correct options. And that will be all for this video. See you in the next one.